If you are enrolled in a course as an instructor, the course homepage is the first page students see when they open the course. The homepage also helps students understand how they can navigate through the course. To help you learn how to navigate a Canvas course, this video uses a course that has already been populated. The course homepage involves course navigation, the content area, and the sidebar. The course homepage is viewed from the course navigation home link. Course navigation includes links that help you and your students get to specific locations in the course. As an instructor, you can customize what links are shown in your course. This will be covered in your next module lesson. To expand or collapse the course navigation menu, click the menu icon. Homepage content and all Canvas content is displayed in the content area. The content can be a page, the syllabus, discussions, announcements, quizzes, or imported content as set by your course homepage layout. The homepage can also be set to display recent announcements at the top of the page. The content can also show the course activity stream. The homepage content also defines what sections display in the sidebar. Breadcrumbs appear above the course content area. As you view course content from your homepage, the breadcrumbs leave a trail to show where you are inside the course. You can follow these links backwards to visit prior course content. Note, if you have created a nickname for your course in your dashboard, the breadcrumbs display the nickname to identify the course. Otherwise, the breadcrumbs display the course code. The sidebar functions the same as the dashboard sidebar, but only shows content for the specific course and includes additional options. The top of the sidebar contains course tools for managing your course. The bottom of the sidebar includes the to-do list, in addition to other sections depending on the layout you set for the course homepage. The sidebar always shows the to-do section, which shows all items that require grading in Canvas, regardless of the due date. Each item in the to-do list displays the assignment name, the number of points, and the due date for the assignment. Some assignments may display multiple due dates. Items remain in this section for 4 weeks. However, assignments that are not graded or do not require an online submission only display until the due date. If there are more than 100 items in the to-do section, you must remove items before you can view any new items. To remove a to-do item, click the Remove icon. Note, when an item is removed, the item can only be restored to the to-do section if a new submission is received for that assignment, or if an existing submission for the assignment still requires grading.